Sa gitna ng kanyang busy schedule, on the go pa rin daw si Bea Alonzo para ma-achieve ang kanyang work-life balance. At sa kabila ng kanyang pagiging single and happy, may ni-reveal pa ang aktres kaugnay sa estado ng kanyang puso. Yan ang chika ni Aubrey Carampel.
Single and happy si Bea Alonzo. May mga nagpaparamdam sa kanya, pero wala pa raw siyang dinidate exclusively.
Okay naman ang lagay ng puso ko ngayon. I'm enjoying being single right now. I mean, there are people na syempre, feeling maganda. Charot lang. Hindi, syempre naman may nagpaparamdam. Sometimes you reply, sometimes you see people.
Dahil maraming oras ang ginugugol niya para sa pinagbibidahang top-rating GMA Prime series na Widow's War, sinisika pa rin niya na ma-achieve ang work-life balance.
Most of the time, yung three days a week ko, minsan may trabaho or my hobbies like I play paddle, I meet up with my friends. Self-care, like I go to the derma, I go to the salon. So I guess parang I would say I strive for a work-life balance and that's what makes me happy right now. I'm a work in progress.
Masaya si Bea sa mga natatanggap na positibong komento tungkol sa kanilang serye. After Paco and Basil Palacios, na karakter ni Rafael Rosel at Benjamin Alves, recent murder victim si Beverly na ginampanan ni Bianca Manalo.
Very overwhelming kasi I knew na before it even aired, I knew that people would love it. But I didn't know na ganito sila magiging kasobrang involved in the story. And yun, kinikilig ako every time. Meron silang theories about the show.
Lagi raw nilang kinukumusta sa kanilang group chat ang co-star na si Carla Abellana na kasalukuyang nasa ospital.
Carla is very involved pagdating sa creative process. So, nakamonitor yan parate. She's better. I think she'll go back to taping next week.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happenings.
Mga kapuso, maging updated sa showbiz happenings anumang oras. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. At para sa mga kapuso abroad, bisitahin ang GMA Pinoy TV at www.gmanews.tv.